just right now in the Childer and Rowan, Brownsville, Texas, is the flood and the Resaca. Here in the Resaca. For vehicles is okay for a truck, but for a small car it's not good.